Oh man, so MATIC, Chainlink, and Polkadot are all forming really important patterns in the chart, and we're going to be going through those right now. So stay tuned to the very end. We're going to cover all three of these coins. If you appreciate this blend between technical and fundamental analysis, all the way from the other corner of the world here on my iPad in my traveling TA desk, then smash up the like buttons, guys, subscribe, and also we got to collect our free money, guys. Links in the description. Swissborg are offering you guys up to 100 euros for free when you simply deposit 50 euros. So guys, go ahead there, deposit your 50 euros, collect your reward, and then go do the same at Coinbase, because they're offering $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto, and BlockFi will give you $10 in Bitcoin waiting for you if you deposit $100 or equivalent. You can never have enough exchanges set up, guys. I have all of these set up, and I always keep funds in multiple different exchanges ready to buy the dips on my favorite coins. As you know, some exchanges list coins, other ones don't. So you need to be ready, right? You don't want to be doing this all last minute. Always have it ready so you don't miss out on an opportunity when I give you guys the hint. So let's get straight into the charts. First, I want to look at Polkadot. Because Polkadot, we've been monitoring this for a long time on this channel, guys. We know on the daily chart it's formed this really nice cup and handle pattern, which we'll take a look at in a minute. But more importantly, the fundamentals are aligning. You guys know I have really high conviction in Polkadot, as I do with Chainlink and MATIC, which we're going to look at in this video. They're in my long-term hodl portfolio. I continue to try to dollar cost average into those to build out my positions. I think they're amazing projects. They're here to stay. Now, in terms of Polkadot specifically, we know that we've had a catalyst recently with them announcing their parachain auctions, which is a really big step. We know the founding team with Gavin Wood is a co-founder of Ethereum back in the day. He knows what he's doing. He's trying to create this internet of blockchains, and it's a great project that he's working on, and he's delivering, right? With the work he's done at Kusama on the sister chain, and also now with Polkadot, the first auction goes live tomorrow, and I can see that being a catalyst today for us to move to the upside. Now, let's take a look at the technicals and tie that in with what we know from the fundamentals. So we know we've been following this cup and handle pattern for a very long time. So you've had your cup there, okay, and that dated all the way back. This cup would have started all the way back here on the 20th of May, and it finished the cup pattern here 14th of September, and then the handle pattern then completed on the 30th of October. We got a really good breakthrough here. It happened to be that the breakthrough was helped by the fact that they announced their auction timeline, which is great. We then had what is called a continuation pattern, okay? So we had our breakout to the upside, we then consolidated for a little while, and then had our second breakout. We then consolidated again, and I was hoping we could head to the upside further, but instead what we noticed the red dump, right? And if you guys know, the red dump was caused by Bitcoin having a dump. Again, fears around Evergrande in China and various other things going on led to liquidations and led to the price falling, which we can cover off separately to this. But that's what led, therefore, all the altcoins to drop. So this specific red candle here, we know that, you know, that's separate from the pattern we're forming. We're forming from a technical pattern, a cup and handle pattern, and that candle is separate. We wicked really low, we've brought that back up, and now we need to see what's going to happen next with DOT, because what we can see here on the hourly is we managed to pick up some support, some really important support on the wick here at $42, and we're now fighting at this support level of 48.02, which is this yellow line. So we really need to come and build some support here, bounce off and head higher to the upside on DOT in the near term. If I switch back to the daily chart, and what I want to do is, if I can bring out the EMA ribbon, you will see that even with that wick, if I just zoom in there for you guys, you can see that the wick penetrated the EMA ribbon quite a lot, but you can see how the green candle is bouncing back. So you want to see a couple of nice green candles coming in here, and then we can really start heading to the upside, bouncing off our EMA ribbon and getting more movement to the upside. So I hear you guys asking, what is the price target? Well, you guys know my price target from the cup and handle pattern, which is just a technical target, is $61, right? My longer term target, as in mid-term target from Fibonacci swing low to swing high, gives me the golden ratio sitting at $74.14. So I'm looking at these two levels in the immediate term, but naturally over the long term, I can see Polkadot really exploding, really gathering pace and growing. If Bitcoin 3 or 4x's, there's no reason DOT can't do the same, okay? So now let's take a look at Chainlink, because Chainlink is setting up for a beautiful move as well, which I have to share with you guys. But as always, guys, please head into the link in the description. The pinned comment will be the link to our free public Discord server, okay, guys? Everybody's now jumping into this really fast growing community, and people are asking some amazing questions and sharing amazing insights. All of these things around DOT, people are talking about in our community right now. They're talking about the parachains, who's likely to win the parachain, is it Akala, is it Moonriver, is it Moonbeam? These are all things we're discussing in the community. So if you want to see that, head into the community, join the Discord, tag me if any questions, and we'll get to that straight away. But let's get into Link, because that's what you're here for, guys. Let's look at Chainlink. Just going to remove the EMA ribbon, and you'll see we're forming the exact same pattern, just on a different time frame here on Link. Okay, so you can see this cup and handle forming. The handle took admittedly a little bit longer than we thought, but you guys will know I predicted this a long time ago. Okay, guys, I suggested this a very long time ago before the handle here had even formed. I already showed you guys on this channel that we were potentially forming a cup and handle pattern. So beautiful approach here to the neckline, and we got a beautiful breakout candle. Now, my only concern here was we need a close above the neckline. Okay, so the neckline is sitting here on that yellow line, which is at 35.06. You can see currently we're at 35.42, but we got 8 hours left until the close of the candle. Okay, you can see yesterday we easily wicked above. We went all the way up to 38.35, but we closed down, so the bears did push us back below the neckline. So this is not a clear breakout yet, guys. So if you're trading this on the short term frame, you want to wait for a clear breakout, clear close above the neckline before entering in. And you can even see my scribbles are on there. You want it to come out. You see that, follow this line here, and even I wouldn't mind a retest of the neckline before building my position significantly once you rebound off and break the high from here, right? So you bounce, rebound, and when you break the high from there, you can then add to your position at this point, ready to take the ride. So what's my price target on Link? Well, my price target sits at the technical cup and handle price target of 57.49-ish, okay? So a good movement expected here from Link. And if I show you my swing low to swing high target, we are sitting pretty here on the golden ratio target of 69.38, okay? So I'm expecting a comfortable almost double here in Chainlink in the short to mid term, and the technical patterns are really looking good. From a fundamental perspective, you guys know I'm hodling Chainlink. They are the de facto data oracle provider. If you don't know what a oracle provider is, let me know. We can answer that. Tag me in the Discord and we can speak about that there. But I've made videos, I've covered that before. Really important that you understand that, because they are the key at that. They're the best at that. When smart contracts become more and more important, more and more in use, they're going to need data feeds, and they're going to need that from Chainlink. So there you have it. Now, guys, to wrap this video up, because again, I'm on the other side of the world bringing you this, which is why I'm in such a rush to get this content out to you. I need to cover off MATIC. A lot of you guys are asking me about MATIC. And again, guys, you get to vote on which coins I cover in this channel, guys. The reason I'm covering MATIC, the reason I've covered VeChain recently is because you guys are voting in the Discord server for which coins you want me to analyze. So shout out to you guys who asked for a MATIC update. You're getting a MATIC, whichever one I want to pronounce it. You're getting that update right here. So again, exact same thing, guys. We're getting a cup and handle pattern. That's why I include these guys all in the same video. In my mind, these are three of the most solid plays in my altcoin portfolio with their allotted allocation, which I continue to hodl. And they're all forming the exact same pattern. Why? Because I think a lot of people treat them the same as well in terms of their long-term hodl portfolio. That's why you're getting similar movements. Now, with MATIC, we're slightly further along than where Chainlink was. We already had our breakout of the cup and handle pattern. See this one here? If you look at that small candle, small green candle before the big green candle here, that small one had a close above the neckline, okay? So great stuff. We're into the trade, and then you get a good candle here. You get a consolidation, and now we've been coming back down, okay? The Bitcoin dump exacerbated that slightly, which is why we had a big wick on this candle here. However, we've still come and we're bouncing nicely off of this neckline, okay? Now, this is really good, because if, as you can see again in my drawing, if we can get this bounce off and a bounce to the upside, that's going to be really good. And that's perfect time for you to build your position if you're trading this on the short-term time frame. Now, let's just take a look at what my price target is, because you guys need to know what my price target here is on the technical pattern. It still remains at $2.08. That's not been nullified, and I still expect that here on MATIC. It's been a slow burner, but we're still expecting it to move to the upside on MATIC. Like I said, guys, from a fundamental perspective, I have no qualms with MATIC, right? I'm going to continue to hodl it. It's not going anywhere. I see layer 2 solutions as getting their moment. They've not had their attention just as much just recently because everybody's focused on layer 1 solutions. That's why VeChain ran a little bit slightly as well, because they started introducing some of these layer 1 solutions, right? Phantom's done really well, Luna's done really well, Ethereum all-time highs, Solana, needless to say. Layer 1s are hot right now, and layer 2s have kind of been that, ugly kid at the back. But the time's going to come, right? Let's say ETH 2.0 gets delayed again, right? Then obviously you can see layer 2 solutions running. And I think even if ETH 2.0 gets done, there's still a space for layer 2. And layer 2 is going to be a really important concept for people to grasp, because adoption of Bitcoin, even though we're in the community, it's not massive right now, right? Not everybody's using Ethereum and these layer 1 solutions. So therefore, when more adoption comes, you're going to get more traffic. You're going to get higher gas fees. And that's where layer 2 solutions are really going to show their value. So from a long-term fundamental perspective, nothing to worry about. If Bitcoin goes from here and does, a 2 or 3x, I can easily expect MATIC to do a 5 or 6x, and therefore we're sitting comfortably between $10 and $12 on MATIC from me. That's my view, not financial advice. So there you have it, guys. There's your update on Polkadot. We did Chainlink and we did Polygon, which is MATIC. If you appreciate this, guys, as always, please hit up the like button and subscribe. Thank you for being such a loyal community. We've really grown rapidly recently, thanks to you guys supporting this effort to bring pragmatic, let's call it pragmatic, sustainable investing, right? Because we know there's a lot of traders born, crypto traders born every single day, and they may be coming through Shiba, they may be coming from SafeMoon or something else, Floki. We want to bring those people into the community and show them, look, all crypto is not pump and dumps. You can find good quality projects that are going to be here for many, many years, and you could build wealth in a smart strategy way. You don't need to take out a loan and put a 100x leverage trade on some meme coin. There's a more pragmatic way to do that. And that's what I'm committed to bringing you here, guys. The updates, as and when they happen, regardless of where in the world I am, right? This is very difficult. I've got sketchy internet right now, but I'm committed to bringing this to you guys. And if the price goes up, I'm going to tell you I think the price is going up. But if I think the price is going down, I don't care if the video gets dislikes. I'll say that the price is going to go down. That's what you get from me. That might not help my views, might not help the likes, but that's what I'm here to do, guys. I'm here to give you what I see in the charts and my fundamental belief as a part of you doing your own research. All right, guys, don't forget to head into the Discord, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.